Yes, I'm Roman, and today we're in Lille because I want to visit Wally's Coffee. It's a cafe I saw online, on Instagram to be exact, and I'm super excited to try it. I don't like coffee, but based on videos I saw, it looked super delicious, super yummy. So let's go. Wally's Coffee is located at 133 Rue de Molinel, which is a 9-minute walk from Lille Flandre, and if you're coming from Lille, Europe, then it's to be about 13 minutes by foot. The venue is quite popular, and so you're advised to make a reservation in advance if you want to dine. But of course, you could just walk in and hope that they have a seat for you. Some outstanding features of the restaurant is the layout. The entrance reminds me of the wardrobe that Peter, Susan, Edmund and Lucy had to enter in order to go to Narnia. Beyond the entrance, you'll be transported to a vibrant, green and luxurious diner with a transparent roof that makes it feel as if you're eating outside or stargazing if it were to be night. Another highlight of the cafe is the friendly staff, a bright smile on their face and super accommodating. And last but not least, the food. The food was spectacular both visually and taste-wise. It did not disappoint. The portion size was also quite reasonable. But be careful because the calories add up fast. Finally, one last piece of information. The restaurant offers different menus on different days, so bear that in mind if you want to have your favorite treat. So, what are you waiting for? Come and stop by Wally's Coffee.